Hey guys, Paul here. I'm going to give you, as fast as I can, a bit of an introduction to the Divi theme, I guess Divi 3.0. A lot of people ask me what theme to use. A lot of people who don't know much about web design or a bit wary of what to use. I use Divi on some basic sites that I use, and even good sites. I'd still recommend Divi or more in-depth sites, not basic sites, but for people who just want to get up and running, just want to get cracking from day one, want to do it themselves, use Divi. Xtheme and what's the other one? I can't remember. There's another one that's pretty popular as well. But Divi I've been using for a while. They keep updating it. They keep, it just works. So, elegant themes. It is $90 a year, but let me. So browse our themes. Go to elegantthemes.com. You'll see here learn more Divi, and they've got an option here to try it out for free, which is basically a page where you can jump in and have a play around and change stuff, right? And then download today. You'll see here it is $89 per year, but it's a membership for all their plugins, and what I will show you. So there's no point you watching a video if you've got no intention of paying $89 a year for it, right? So Divi theme, Divi builder. So you can also, if you've got other websites, you can actually add the builder, which I'm going to show you. And on your website, even if it hasn't got Divi theme, Bloom and Monarch. So actually, I pay the subscription pretty much for Monarch, but I use Bloom as well. So let me go to my website and let me show you. Right. So my site uses a Valenti theme, which is a pretty cool one because it's for videos. And if I go down, so this is Monarch. So these are Monarch share buttons. They've been, I don't know if they still are, but they're the fastest share buttons. They won't slow your website down. There's no spam in them. So a lot of people are using Shareaholic, but apparently there's some back stuff in there that you might not want to use it. And this is Bloom. Join my email list. I need to spruce this up a bit, which I can. So this is Bloom. So I am using Bloom and install Monarch, and I could in theory put that Divi builder on my site as well, but anyway, that's not what you're here for. So if I go, I've downloaded Divi, right? So I've gone in and I've just done it. I did it while I was speaking. I'm going to go to themes, and it's actually already here, so let me delete that. So I have had it, I probably started out with Divi, and then I started using my I started importing videos from YouTube, my videos from YouTube and Valenti was the perfect theme to do it with. So if I upload a theme, what I can do, you'd select that file, but I'm just going to drop it in there. You choose file and pick it wherever you just downloaded it to, right? Now, because I've already had it, it may have a few settings already changed, but I will show you. Majority of settings, right? So I'm going to go to live preview. So you don't really want to go activate straight away, because if live preview shows your site's crashed, then you put activate and you can't get back in. It can be a real pain to backdoor it, right? So save and activate. I'm happy with that. And you can see there's settings on there that I have used this before, which is good because anybody coming to my website, it won't be broken. So when I visit my site, there's obviously now contact information, social media, the menu bar, and my homepage is not showing. Is a Valenti homepage. So I've actually backed my site up, so it doesn't matter if I break something here. He says. So where's customize? Let me just run you from the start though. Let me get you back down to. So you're going to get Divi down here, and you're going to have theme options. And here you're going to put your logo. So that's where you see. This is all basic stuff, right? This is where you're going to see the logo, the favicon. I haven't added one, which is the little image that shows here. Sorry, yeah, here. So if you wanted a star or To change it, maybe I would. It's always a bit funky on what size to put in. Some themes aren't so fussy. Have I got a favicon that I can use quickly? Here we go. Let's use this little H. So that's the Happy Me H. If I save that and save, how quickly it'll pick it up, or if it's, and that's the H there now. So you see the little H. So that's the favicon. Fixed navigation, leave enabled, enable Divi gallery. If you're using it, you can. Here's your default site. So obviously mine's blue. Grab the first post image. I can put yes. Blog style mode disable. I don't know what that means. If you've got WooCommerce, do you want how do you want it to look? Right sidebar. Show Facebook, Twitter, Google icons, RSS feed. What you do if you enable it, then you would put in these links to your Facebook. So that's my Facebook page, that's my Twitter. You know, it's all pretty obvious. I don't think you need me to go through absolutely everything. There's obviously some funky features. Navigation, you can decide what's going to be shown in the navigation. Layout, do you want, this is featured image. Do you want comments on there? Do you want to take categories off? Again, you just tick, untick stuff. There's all sorts. If you want to put ads on your website, you add the code here. SEO, I use Yoast on my site, so you don't need to change anything. I recommend SEO Yoast. It's another video, I guess. But you can use Divi's stuff. And then integration is where you're going to put your codes and the funky stuff. And then if you need updates, you need updates. You put your username and API key that's provided from Elegant Themes in there, and then it'll automatically give you updates. So if I go here, then that's where those social media posts were showing. There's something obviously. Oh, here we go. So theme customizer. So yeah, sometimes some themes say customize at the top, and then some things say, oh, I tell you what, I might have a conflict between this page builder and this page builder, but that's cool. So sometimes it says customize across the top and you just click it. This one says theme customize. So my default home page is a Valenti, that's why it's blank. So let me change that to home. Is that a setup home page? No. Let me just turn it off, right? Because I haven't got. So I'm just gonna put your latest post, right? This is how yours will default to anyway. But if you had a setup page, what we'll do is we'll set a page up. So save and publish. Now my home page has my latest post. Here's my latest post, right? So we're gonna be able to click around. So when you go here, now you'll see Paul Nicholson, April 26th, YouTube, right? When I go to theme options, layout, so that's Paul Nicholson date. So if I turn these off and go there and refresh it, now they've gone, look, so it's not there. So this is a featured image. So if I want to turn that off, save, that picture's going to vanish and it'll just be the video. So then there's the video. If I want to turn comments off, which is down here, turn that off, right? So very, very basic, very easy to use. So what do you really want to use Divi for is building pages, building your website, right? So you can see this part's set up pretty simple. If I go to theme customizer, let me show you this header. And I'm going to go header navigation, header format, and you can change it to, if you want it to be centered, so it's like this, and the menu's underneath, centered inline logo, if you want it to be like that, or you want it to slide in, or you want it to be wider, so it goes all the way across from the top of the screen. And there's a way to put primary menu, make it full width, that splits it up, hide the logo if you don't want it. You can change the text size if you want that menu to be bigger. You can drag that text up to make them bigger. Background color you can change, drop down, all this sort of stuff you can change. Secondary menu, which is this top one. Again, you can text size, make it bigger. You can header element. This is it. So you can show. So these, if this is where you've set these social media links up in a back area, you can turn them off. Show search. So you might want this little search or not. Turn it on or off. If you've got a number, I don't know, 800 number for a while, but I only got spammed on it, so I can have my phone number there. So basically, what this does is, on your website, if you run a service industry company, or if you use a shop or something, you want on every single page of your site someone to see your phone number, see your email address, whatever that might be. That might really be better being team or info, right? Let's call it info. info@paulnicholson.com, right? Save and publish it. Now, every time you go, so this is just a web design tip, really. If you go to any page on this website, then there's the phone number and the email address. This is how to contact me. If you want something, no matter where you are on my website, whatever you click on, the first thing you're going to see is phone number, email address, if you want people to contact you. Some people don't want people to contact you, right? So that's just a tip. So that's the header setup. Now, if you're going to do a sales page, the first thing, just go to new page. So you're going to let me do a home page, right? So I'm going to go a new page. I'm going to put welcome to Paul Nicholson. I don't Paul Nicholson. Welcome to my website, right? Now this is the Divi builder. If you go and see here, if you don't have the Divi theme, then you need the Divi builder if you want to use it. Now, if you change themes and you have the Divi builder, then anything that you've built within this Divi builder will work on another theme. Might need tinkering with, but it will work, right? So anyway, this is the Divi builder, separate to the theme, but if you've got the theme, it's installed with the theme. Clear as mud? Right, so you click on, well, I don't know, it's a Divi builder, isn't it? And then use visual editor. So now you can be able to build pages live. This is the new thing at the moment. So I'm going to add a layout and then add a module. So what do I want to add? There's all sorts you can add, right? So what we could say, let's have a look. I don't use Divi a lot, but I have in the past. I can put welcome to my website. Click here for free stuff. I don't know, right? Add media. Holy smokes. Yeah. Featured image. I think it's me playing golf, actually. Yeah, just stick it, and you'll get the drift, right? Add a link. So your button URL might be. So I have on Blue Jeans Media. If you go over there for training, there's a free social media dashboard that you can use, right? So that's like that header. You can change colors. You can change. I can add. If I click here, I can add blogs. So I can add my blog. So I'm going to put 12, and I'm going to include analytics. Just include everything, man. I'm not brilliant at tagging stuff, right? So I've got a lot of categories. So you're going to put that there. You're going to put click where's. search options, elements, read more, shoot back, admin panel, design, blog settings. So if I click that, it's going to add the blogs. I wanted to add it as a grid, and they changed how to do it. It used to just be a post masonry thing that they had. So that added the blog stuff. Blog settings. YouTube, content, show excerpt, offset elements, read more button, admin. I don't believe layout. Oh, grid. That's what I'm after. Right. So now it's going to show my blog as a grid. So I'm, in this sort of panel, I might put circle counter. I might put number of members so far. I don't know, 1,900. That'd be lovely. Element, you can change it. We can make it a percentage sign. I'm going to turn that off because it's not. I'm going to add that. So now here's the number of members so far, and I can publish it. Right, so I'm going to publish it, and save it. So how do I view the page? So I can go down here and see what it's going to look like on an iPad. I can go and see what it's going to look like on a phone. I can see it. Oh, right, so you can see it in the blocks. Sometimes it's easier to view in the blocks. Or you can just see it live. I actually don't know. There must be something there that says view page, right? So if I go now and then click on this, this is what that page looks like, right? So as I scroll down, it would be nice if the numbers started working. So these are all set as videos, so I think it doesn't like it. So then the numbers came up as I scrolled, but then if I go to theme customize, I'm sorry it's a bit wavy, but it's one of them things. There's a lot of things that this can do. I go to a static page, and now I go to welcome to my website, save and publish, right? So I save that, and now when I go to paulnicholson.com, this is now my home page, right? So it's counting up new members, and I can just go, oh, that's how you I guess that's how you view it live. You just go to exit Visual Builder and it shows you it live instead. Come on. Anytime this video's getting longer, I always know when the video's getting longer because my fan starts going on the computer, so sorry if the audio's gone. Right, so if you go to any page and click Enable Visual Builder, then you can go in and build your page out, right? So I might want to put something here that's I might want to add a row that's 3 columns, not 4 columns, right? And then I'm gonna drag it up. Come on. I've got to drag this down. So, come on, baby. Right, it's making me look a fool. But anyway, here's a column. So I might put a person in this one. You know, Paul Nicholson. This is always embarrassing. Position, chief geek. paulnicholson.com, URL, HTTPS, Paul Nicholson, oh man, go, it's Facebook, right? Facebook.com / that's Twitter, right? And save that. And that will put me in there. I didn't add an image, did I? Do I want to? you can probably see that I don't use I don't use this enough for it to I want to move this whole thing up. Come on, Divi. Oh, I almost had it then, didn't I? There we go. It's always easier when you've got a mouse. Right, that sets that. This is going to change that, right? So, description, image, upload. I think if I put Paul in there, it's going to be. Oh man. I must have a picture of myself on here somewhere. Just whether I labelled it that, right? Oh, I saw it then as well. Oh, this monkey face will do. Right. So you can add that. You can add. I'm trying to think what could you add, like call now button, and you could put call. Is it call 2? And then you put 0800 170 whatever it is. I'm not sure if that code works, but then if they're on the phone and click call now, it would literally call. You might add gallery, post, shop. So if you've got a shop on your website, I don't think this one has one. Slider, testimonials, have you got any? Dave, owner, Dave's shop, company name, Dave's shop, content. Oh man, I'm trying to fly through it and I always end up clicking on wrong stuff. Paul is awesome. Cheers, Dave. Right. Oh, you can check. You obviously have to change background colours and background. Give it a blue because that'll match the site. Yeah, Paul is awesome. Content. I'm guessing you can. So I'm sort of messing about a bit, but I think you're getting the gist of you are in control of what you want this to do. Bar counter, add an element. I don't know. Skills, social media, 80%. How do I add another one? Oh, here we go. Add. I don't know. WordPress, 40%. Awesome. 100% or 1000%. Yeah. Use percents. Background change color. Let's go. I'll leave it at that. Admin panel. I will leave design. Title. Text. Title text. I just clicked on that twice, didn't I? So elements admin. I'll just tick it, right? So I think you're getting where we're at with this. You can basically drag and drop, move stuff around, visualize it as you see. You know, you can go enable builder. You can just have fun with it. You can make it look however you want. You know, you can drag this around. I want this over here. Oh, I want this. Macrome's playing up actually, which is probably what it's more like. You can go here and you can view it on an iPad. So how's that look on an iPad? All right, so that puts it over there. That looks all right. How does it look on a phone? All right, that looks cool on a phone, right? Handsome boy. And you can troubleshoot it that way. Exit, save and exit. So it's really cool. It's really easy to use. Contact page. You just be, you know, there used to be. You know, you might put down at the bottom. Let's put it in here. A call to what? Contact form, right? And just name, address, bang, contact form added to a side, to any page. Right, exit, it's going to ask you, save and exit. So now, all my info, here's my members, and here's my contact form that I've just added. So, anything else? I mean, there's all sorts it can do. Ask me any questions and I'll do little videos on Divi for you. And Bloom and Monarch, you know, is Monarch down there? I don't think I've got Monarch turned on, so I'm not going to go into Monarch. Monarch's really cool though. So, but what you're getting with your 90 is peace of mind that they're going to be doing updates. There's a load of other themes that they sell on that membership. You're going to get the builder, so you can put the builder on any website you want. That builder that we've just been doing. So this builder, you know, enable visual builder. You don't need Divi theme. You can have the builder, and that'll work on your website. Right. So I'm going to go ahead and put my website back together now. Hope that helped. Hope you enjoyed it. I know I sort of messed about a little bit, and you know, but I have fun with this. You know, have fun with building your website. Have fun with changing things and testing and trying stuff. You know, make sure you back it up and you can't break it. So leave me a comment, like or dislike. Subscribe would be amazing. But you know, if you've got any questions, just leave them down below wherever you're watching it, and I'll jump in and I'll try and do you a quick video to how to fix whatever issues you're having. And if there's anything else you want me to do videos on, let me know. I'm trying to guess at what people are watching, or what people are asking me, and then I'm doing videos on that. But if you've got specific things, just ask me, and I'll probably put a video together for you. All right. So have a great day. Go get them this week. Cheers.